Hi, I'm Richard, Customer Relationship Manager at Demarq. And if you're watching this video, it's highly likely that you have decided to either take us up on our free trial or you have purchased Oscar and are about to use it for the first time. So what I want to do is explain how fast, simple and effective Oscar is to use. So we can jump straight in from here in the home screen. What we need to do first is set up project folders, and this is where we upload our statements to in order to process them. So on a blank project screen here, which is say the home screen that you'll land at, you can click on the creating one here, and this is the best, quickest way to set your first project up. Now, typically this is how people segregate their cases, so you can call this whatever you like. I'm just going to name this one myself, and you can see there that we've got a project folder set up. If we want to add in additional folders here, we click the plus symbol on the bottom right hand corner and then the next icon up, the landscape folder icon, and then we can call this one something different. And you can see that we can have project folders here in our home screen, and that enables us to upload the documents to the right project. So we can now go into our project and we can add our statements that we want to process. So I'm going to click here, and you can see that the project name here is here, but I can select whichever project I want to upload the files to, and then simply click here. And we can upload the files that are saved anywhere. So I've got them saved locally here. I can select, I've got 6 bank statements that I'm going to upload, add them here and confirm. What happens next is Oscar will undergo the OCR process. So it's going to convert the image of the document into digital data. From there, it's going to run a number of data quality checks. And then once it's processed the document through the OCR and it's run the data quality checks and it's happy with everything, you'll see here that what we start to get is a thumbnail of the original PDF, the original document that we've uploaded, and a green tick down in the bottom left hand corner there, which denotes that it's happy with all the data quality checks and it's happy with the result that it's produced. So as you can see, in seconds we've processed our 6 statements here, and now we're ready to do whatever we want in terms of our analysis. So if you want to view the digital result within the tool itself, you can do that by going to the middle icon underneath your thumbnail image there, go down to open results. And what that will do is allow you to see the digital result in the tool itself. You can do a number of different searches from here, so you can kind of filter via amount or via value within a description box, whatever you want within the tool. If we go back to our project, what we can do from here is also export the data to Excel. So we can do that in a number of different ways. But typically, this is how people tend to use it. We can download individual documents by clicking the right hand icon, going down to Excel, and then across to download bank statement Excel. What that will do is just open up an Excel file in exactly the same format as we view the digital data in Oscar itself. And obviously you can then save that down locally on your own PC. If we want to do that task but for more than one statement, we can select which ones we want to download, and then we can click download bank statements across the top here, and what that will do is it will create a zip file with those 3 that I've just selected, and you can see that here. So now we've got these 3 Excel files ready to go. If we want to download all 6, the quickest and easiest way to do that is back on the project page. So we can select the project by clicking the blue tick there, the top left hand corner, and then the download bank statements icon again on the top there. And what that will do is again create a zip file which we can open here, and that will have all 6 Excel files there. Now there are a number of other features within Oscar, a number of other things that you can do, but this is a typical workflow. This is typically how our users say they like to use Oscar, because it's fast, it's simple and it's effective. It enables you to get that digital data into an Excel file really quickly. If you are after other features and you're after exploring the tool a little bit further, there are a number of different videos available on the YouTube channel, or of course you can always get in contact with us directly. Happy to hear from you directly. Please feel free to email us at info@demarq.com and we'll be happy to get back to you with any questions.